What up, what up? It's your boy Money Mitch 495. This is just a quick review of the Jordan 6 Hare. It's the hottest shoe out right now, in my opinion. You see how it came? The carrot on the box. Make it look like the carrot is up here by the tongue. It's ridiculous. The other Hares drop, but they're nothing like these. See, it's got the purple Jordan in the back. All different kind of colors, man. Yeah, these are the hottest shoes out. 2020 maybe. You know what to do. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, subscribe on YouTube. Money Mitch 495, and they all for sale. Peace.